What does a door do? It can block a path or unlock a new reality. In the College of Arts and Letters, our goal is to make a difference for every student, every professor, every seeker of knowledge. From supporting our professors as they wrestle with some of humanity's most urgent questions, to increasing access to hands-on learning for every student. Your support will ignite new opportunities for learning and growth, curiosity, and passion. It will empower historically underrepresented students, increase access to exciting internship opportunities, and it will fuel transformative teaching and mentoring. By supporting her or him, or them, you will open doors to brighter futures.